Hey everybody, Tim Zander from Valley here. I've been taking a lot of calls on SDS lately and wanted to get a video out. SDS is a soil-borne fungus. It usually infects the soybean plant shortly after emergence. We often see it in low-lying, poorly drained parts of the field. A lot of times there was water standing early in the season where we find these pockets, but in some cases we can see it spread throughout the whole field. So a lot of times, again, what does SDS look like? SDS can be challenging to identify because the foliar symptoms such as interveinal chlorosis are like other diseases, most notably brown stem rot. There are a couple of characteristics that distinguish it from the others. First, when we cut open the stem, the pith is generally white, whereas in brown stem rot, the pith gets that brownish color. Secondly, in some extreme cases where there is a light blue fungus present on the taproot, another sign that you are dealing with SDS and not brown stem rot is when the leaves drop off the petioles. In brown stem rot, the leaves tend to stay attached until late in the season. Okay, so the next thing is, what can we do now? Because SDS is a soil-borne fungus and the plant was infected months ago, the damage has been done and there are no rescue treatments available. The best thing we can do now is work with our local agronomists to identify the fields infected. So the next time you go into those fields with soybeans, you know you need to pick a soybean with a high tolerance to SDS. You should also treat your soybeans with Allevo from Bayer, a treatment known to suppress SDS. Lastly, I hate to ever tell the planter to slow down or stop for that matter, but I would not recommend planting early into these fields that have shown cases of SDS. Here is an example of a field with split planting dates and planted with the same variety. The East Block, which is showing better plant health through the NDVI imaging, was planted 3 weeks later and not exhibiting SDS as bad as the earlier planted west part of the field. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Remember, get out, check your fields, make notes so you can plan for success in the future. Have a good day.